Are you curious about cryptocurrency but don't know where to start? Wondering if it's too late and invest how to avoid losing money like so many others? In this video, I'll breaking down exactly everything you need to know to invest in cryptocurrency like a pro as a complete beginner step by step. By the end of this video, I'll share you a special tips, so don't skip this. Understanding cryptocurrency. What is actually cryptocurrency? Let's define what cryptocurrency is. It's a digital money that uses cryptography for secure transaction and exists on a decentralized network called blockchain. Think of it as a new form of currency, not bound by traditional banking system. But how does this translate into real investment opportunity? Now the question is, what is cryptocurrency? Let's start with basics. What is cryptocurrency? Simply, it is a digital currency that works on blockchain technology or secure way to record transaction. The most popular cryptocurrency you have probably heard of are Bitcoin and Ethereum, but there are thousands of others. So how do you pick the right one as a complete beginner? Sounds amazing, right? But it is also come with risk, which I'll help you navigate. So the next one is step to start investing. Here is a step-by-step process to get started. Step 1. Research and choose the trusted exchange like Coinbase or Binance. Step 2. Create an account. Verify your identity and secure account with two-factor authentication. Step 3. Start small. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Seriously, this is not the time to go all in. Step 4. Diversify your investment. Don't just buy Bitcoin. Consider Ethereum and other promising projects. Step 5. Use a cold wallet to store your crypto secure. Leaving it on an exchange is risky. Take it one step at a time and don't rush. Risk management is key. Let's talk about something super important. And you should understand one thing, that as a complete beginner, if you invest $100 in here, you will make it $10,000. In the same way, if you invest $10,000, you will make $100,000. It's the interesting game. Like trading Ethereum, Bitcoin, it can be anything else. Let's talk about something super important: risk management. Only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market can be highly volatile and you need to be prepared. Diversification is critical. Exploring different coins can help stabilize your portfolio. Common portfolio to buy. Here's some mistakes beginners make: chasing hype coins. Don't buy just because something is trending on Twitter. Investing without research. Always know what you are investing, what you're doing. Read the white paper on what's credible reviews. FOMO, and that is the most important part in every sector. You should check out FOMO. Means fear missing out. Don't buy during a price spike. Wait for corrections. And the biggest mistake, not having a plan. And that is the most important role for as a beginner. Not having a plan. You need to know when to buy, hold, or sell. So here's the final tips. Here's golden rule for beginners. Start with dollar cost averaging. This meaning investing small amounts regularly instead of going all in once. It helps you avoid marketing timing mistake. Also follow the news, but don't let you dedicate emotions. The crypto market is volatile, so patience is the key. If you're finding this video helpful so far, hit the like button so more people can discover this video. Also, let me know in the comment what is your biggest concern about crypto investing. I'd love to help you out. That's it today. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency is not about luck, it's about strategy and staying informed. If you want to more beginner-friendly finance tips, subscribe Mr. Fai and I'll give you more video tips.